Viewers, welcome to Labi Luba B. In our heartfelt segment. Thank you, teacher. It was no ordinary classroom scene. The teacher entered only to find a chair hanging upside down from the ceiling. Everyone expected anger, punishment, storm, but instead the teacher smiled. On the blackboard, he wrote, test, 15 minutes, 30 marks. Question 1. Calculate the distance between the chair and the floor. 1 mark. Question 2. Calculate the angle of the chair's tilt from the ceiling. 1 mark. Question 3. Write down the name of the student who hung the chair and the names of those who helped him. 28 marks. The real test was never the chair's angle or its distance. The real test was about honesty and truth. Finally, the culprit was found. But the greater lesson was this: education is not just about formulas, it's about building character. Thank you, teacher.